Hello, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a DIY. I'm going to show you how I assembled this ice cream kit for end of the school year goodie bag. I got most of my stuff from the Dollar Tree except the sprinkles for the ice cream. You get them at your local grocery store. I got it for $5. That's what is in the inside of the cup. I got the ice cream set at the Dollar Tree. They come in blue, white, and red. Do make sure that some of the packets do include the spoons because I got one and mine included only one spoon. So do make sure of that. Blue, white, and red, they do have it for the 4th of July. I included the sprinkles in these little serving cups that I also got at the Dollar Tree. The wafer cookies, I also got them at the Dollar Tree. I can remember how many they were. The marshmallows, you can also find at Dollar Tree. I did buy one at the grocery store. These gummy bears, these are they're bunnies, but I got those at the Dollar Tree. I also did buy the serving cups and some gummy bears from the grocery store, and included on the serving cups for my other daughter. That's the Haribo gummy bears, and then the mini marshmallows, I got them at the grocery store. At the Dollar Tree, I also included this Italian ice. They have 10 in the pack. I got at the Dollar Tree $1.25 because their Dollar Tree also has other prices. The loot bag at $1.25. I did got the clear ones for my oldest daughter and one with the pattern for my youngest. I printed that little thing from the computer. Have a cool summer from Nena. I did use Canva and did the little tags. This is how they look: the sprinkles, the marshmallows, the wafer, the Italian ice, and the gummy bears. You can also include any other things like chocolate chips or anything like that. And I put it in the loot bag, tied it up. It looks really cute and it's unique, and it's not just candy, it's actual an experience that they can add their ice cream and remember their friend Luna or my daughter Layla when they are taking the little ice cream. I included that Italian ice just for fun. They can pop it in the freezer and eat it that way. Hopefully you guys like my idea. It's unique for the end of the school year goodie bag. If you haven't done so, please click subscribe. And if you did, thank you very much. And I will get to finishing all the ones that I got to do. Tie them up and put them together. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.